Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to today's video. I have yet again another mystery box type deal unboxing for you guys. I mentioned on my channel yesterday that I'm going to be doing a few of these coming up here. Just yesterday I uploaded the COLOURPOP mystery bag, which was amazing. That was probably one of the best mystery bags that I have ever gotten. And now today I'm going to be doing the BeautyLish Lucky Bag. So this is the box. I have no idea what is inside of here. On Monday I'm supposed to be getting the Jeffree Star Lucky Bag as well from BeautyLish. So that unboxing is coming. So there's going to be quite a few of these on my channel. I think that they're really fun. I haven't really had a chance to do a lot of these on my channel, and so I thought this was the perfect opportunity to do something like this. I'm not going to jib jab on it too much longer. Let's just go ahead and jump into the video. So BeautyLish has a couple of different options. They had the regular Lucky Bag, which I believe was $75, and then they had the Lucky Bag XL. You could only choose one or the other. This one was $75, and I believe the other one was $150. And then obviously you get a lot more value inside of the box. At the end of the video, I will be sure to put up how much of a value that I got in my box. Obviously go over if I think it's worth it or not. I think this is something that BeautyLish does every year. So as you can see, I have not opened mine yet. So let's just go ahead and dive in and see what's inside. Here's kind of what it looks like inside of the box. You've got this really cute packaging here, and then there's a little tag on it that kind of just tells you what the Lucky Bag is. It says Lucky Bags are a Japanese New Year custom that inspired us to create our own. The sumo wrestlers, or Rikishi, if I'm saying that right, on this year's Lucky Bags are said to bring good luck and fortune. We hope the surprise inside make your 2019 a little more lucky. Let's go ahead and open it up and see what we've got inside. I'm knocking shit over all over my vanity. My sister's in here watching me actually, and this is the first time I've ever had anyone in my room watching me film, so she should feel pretty damn special because usually I don't like when anyone's around. Anyways, so here are the contents wrapped in this. So I'm not gonna look, I'm just gonna go ahead and grab the first item. Okay, so in my COLOURPOP bag that I just did, my mystery bag, I was super excited about the things that I got inside because I actually got items that I've been wanting to try. And so far, I just pulled out another item I've been really wanting to try. This is the Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder. I'm actually kind of shocked that this is in here. I believe that this launched just last year. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I have always wanted to try this. I've heard really, really good things about it. There it is. It's got that signature H and the gold pan on the inside. I'm actually really happy. I want to say that this retails for like $50 or $60 on its own. So already here, we're getting almost the entire value of the bag back. All right, the next item is the Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Gentle Facial Cleanser. It says it has echinacea, green envy, honey. I don't know if this is the same one, but I swear I just saw Kathleen Lights talking about this cleanser, which is kind of really ironic. I swear she just talked about this in a video that she did, but I am super excited to try this. I think this is supposed to be a very clean brand, free of artificial colors or anything like that. So this looks really awesome, and gentle cleansers are right up my alley because I have really dry skin. And so this is what the item looks like. This is really cool, actually. I'm a skincare junkie. I can't get enough. And that actually smells really good as well. So I cannot wait to try that out. So far I'm actually pretty impressed. I know bags like this are can be a hit or miss, you know, because you're investing money and you have no idea what you're going to get. So that's not bad. Let's take out the next item. It's in some bubble wrap. We've got a Busier palette. Okay, and now I'm even more surprised because these are not cheap. This is the Theory palette. It's a 6-pan shadow palette. I have also always wanted to try Busier eyeshadows. So again, this is kind of the nice thing about these mystery boxes, that if you do get lucky, you're going to get items inside that you've really wanted to try. And so far, I'm pretty lucky. I have no idea what the color story of this is. Beautiful. These are all shades that I would definitely love, and I think this is perfect because this is going to give me a really good idea of these shadows. These are really beautiful, and I can definitely see myself using all of these colors on a daily basis. This packaging is really cute too. It's kind of got this little plastic thing that you can put right on top of it. Fold it up, it's got a mirror. That's really good. I'm into the travel size palettes these days. I think that's amazing. It's good to bring to work if you want to touch up or travel with. That's awesome. All right, and we have a Wayne Goss brush. Again, another brand I have always wanted to try. I guess the reason why I've never tried a lot of these things is because they're so spendy on their own. And this is really awesome so far. I'm getting a really good first impression of these Lucky Bags. So it looks like I have the number 15. This looks like it's a fan brush. Oh, it's taped. Oh yeah. So it's just one of the Wayne Goss fan brushes. So he uses natural hair brushes, or natural hairs for his brushes, and this feels really soft. I'm really used to the MORPHE natural hairs, and this feels nothing like that. So I am really excited to test this out. I've actually been wanting and needing a new fan brush. And like I said, I've been really interested in Wayne Goss. I absolutely love him. His videos are fantastic. He is so talented. And yes, it looks like this is my lucky day to get one of those in my lucky bag. All right, so the next item says coming soon. So I'm assuming that this is something brand new, or maybe that BeautyLish is going to start carrying. Let's see what this is. It's got like this sleeve on it, and I just ripped it. Good Molecules. This is the Super Peptide Serum. It says formulated with tripeptides to target fine lines, wrinkles, and dullness. Again, speaking my language. Looks like it's for nighttime, day and nighttime use. It comes in this bottle. You get quite a bit of product here. It says you get a full ounce. Looks like it's a K-Beauty brand. Yes, made in Korea. It says distributed by Good Molecules out of Hollywood, California. Let's see if this has a scent. This is really cool. 2 skincare items. And it is like in frosted glass. Actually smells really good, fresh, and clean. We could all use something that targets fine lines and wrinkles. So that's really cool. I'm excited to try that. And there's one more item here. This is by Oribe or Oribe. I don't know how to say their name. I really like their products, but I've never tried this before. This is the Mystify Restyling Spray. This has 1.7 ounces. I don't know if this is a full size or if that's like a deluxe travel size item, but this is supposed to be for like if you curl your hair or do your hair, sleep on it, and then the next day you just want to give like that volume back, kind of enhance the curls, the style that's already there. This is what this is going to do, is kind of bring that back. Let's see what the mist is like. Smells good. Classic Oribe. I used to love their dry shampoo. It was like my ride or die. I would spend so much money on it because it was literally one of the best dry shampoos. Let's see, we got the Oribe Restyling Spray, the Good Molecules Super Peptide Serum, which I love. Again, like I said, I am a skincare junkie. I try so much skincare. It's like my favorite thing. We got a Wayne Goss brush, which is pretty incredible. A Busier eyeshadow palette, which again, I'm super excited to try because I've been dying to try their formula. The Pharmacy Clean Bee Ultra Facial Cleanser, which looks awesome as well. And then the one thing I think I'm most excited for is this Hourglass Veil Translucent Setting Powder, because they don't put talc in their items, which is absolutely incredible. So would I say that this box is worth it? For me, yes. I think that I got a ton of amazing products, things that I have been dying to try. I feel like the Lucky Bag truly was very lucky for me. Definitely worth 75 bucks considering all the items that I got here and the total value of the box, which I will put up here. Definitely got my money's worth. So if you didn't get a chance to try out the Lucky Bag this year, be on the lookout for it next year. They always do this. They usually, if you sign up for their emails, they'll give you a chance to kind of do like their pre-sale, which is what I did. You're technically only supposed to get one box, but somehow I managed to get the Jeffree Star box as well. Like I said, that is coming, supposed to be delivered to me on Monday, so I'm gonna try to get that video out as soon as possible. Let me know what you think about the items that I got in this box. If you got this box as well, let me know what you got. I'd love to see the different things that everyone is getting. So that is it. Give this video a huge thumbs up if you liked it. Share it. And of course, be sure to subscribe to my channel before you go. I love you guys so much, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye, guys.